I'm Ali and I'm a tufted designer at Godfrey Hirst. The Women in Manufacturing networking program was about speaking with other women from different areas within manufacturing, talking about how we can be more confident within the industry. The best things I got out of the program were confidence building, communication and networking, the ability to communicate with more people within the business, which has actually resulted in better efficiency within my own projects. Doing the program has also impacted the business because I've been able to bring back those skills and share them with my team. If you're thinking of doing the Women in Manufacturing networking program, I would definitely recommend it. I've made a lot of great relationships with other women from different sectors, and the opportunity to speak with people in such high roles with so much experience was amazing.